Language controversy row that has now hit the IPL team Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And the heart of this heated debate is the Hindi social media page which was started by the RCB in the month of October. The move to launch RCB Hindi page has drawn flack from several fans and pro-Kannada groups who argue that Hindi has nothing to do with Bengaluru and associating the two amounts to Hindi imposition. Those on the other side of the debate argue that RCB is not a regional team and therefore objecting to usage of Hindi was unwarranted. Now, pro-Kannada activists are up in arms and have threatened to hold demonstration outside RCB's office if the Hindi page is not brought down.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷ ಹಿಂದಿ ತೆಗೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆಟಕ್ಕೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು RCB ಕೆಫೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಯನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 3 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Let me take this across to Dr. Anand Nathan as well as Chandan Gaudru, the Kannada activist who's joining us on the show. Chandan Gaudru, the question is that if RCB's Hindi account is the third official handle, already there's an English and Kannada account. The English account has 7.3 million followers and Kannada account has 10,000 followers. Why then are you criticizing it for having an additional account in Hindi? How is it Hindi imposition? Because there are already other accounts that exist.
ಸರ್, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಾರಣ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ RCB ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ರಾಯಲ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ Instagram or Twitter page. Why it is required? What is the use of it? Mainly, and we have given as a communication language as English. We have already providing in English. Then why it has been?
So maybe there are people in Bangalore who want to follow RCB but don't understand either English or Kannada. Isn't that possible?
For that, we have already given the communication language as English. No, we are already serving in English language. Why Hindi is required?
What if they don't know English? That's the point we are making.
It's a common thing. Everyone knows that English is a common language, and everyone, little bit all, it will be, they will learn about English.
Sir, the percentage of Indians who understand English is about 5 to 6% for the last that I know of. But let me put that question across to Dr. Ranganathan. Dr. Ranganathan, there is English, there is Kannada. Why do we need Hindi? It's imposition. Please respond to what the panelist is saying.
शुभ रात्रि माधव. पहले तो मैं ये बता दूं कि भले ही मैं तमिल भाषी हूं, लेकिन मैं कन्नड़ भाषियों को बहुत तहे दिल से प्यार करता हूं, तो इसमें पैरोकिलिज्म ना समझें. जैसे कि मेरे भाई ने कन्नड़ा में बात करी, मैं हिंदी में बात करना चाहूंगा. भले मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन ये इस तरह का लैंग्वेज पे, भाषा पे पैरोकिलिज्म दिखाना इस देश को पीछे ले जाएगा. आपने एकदम पकड़ा कि भाई आप अंग्रेजी की जब साइट बनी थी तब आप क्यों नहीं चिल्लाए? तब चिल्लाना चाहिए था. उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहे हैं कि हिंदी, ये इंग्लिश इज आवर लैंग्वेज फॉर कम्युनिकेशन. क्यों भाई? कन्नड़ा क्यों नहीं थी? सिर्फ कन्नड़ा रखनी चाहिए थी. अब अंग्रेजी रखी तो आपने फिर कहा कि हिंदी क्यों नहीं? कौन लोगों को अंग्रेजी नहीं आती? फिर इनका रिस्पॉन्स क्या था? हारने डूबते को तिनके का सहारा, कि नहीं अंग्रेजी सबको आती है. आई एम सॉरी, अगर आप ये देखें कि हिंदी किसको आती है और अंग्रेजी किसको आती है, 100 टाइम्स ज्यादा लोगों को हिंदी आती है, हिंदी समझ में आती है. और दूसरी बात,
Dr. Ranganathan, may I request you to please switch to English, because this will, I don't know if Mr. Gaudru understands Hindi at all. So I'm requesting you to please switch to English for the benefit of the other panelists and our viewers as well.
Okay, thank you. Message
with
taken
full respect
Mr. Gaudru,
to
but
your rights to speak in whichever language you want to.
No, look, the point is much more important than how you speak is what you speak. Language is just communication tool. Let's talk about the content. And also, for heaven's sake, you have a completely cosmopolitan, collection of players that are making RCB proud. I mean, I don't know whether Virat Kohli knows Kannada now. I'm sure he does, but he definitely knows Hindi. Now, is that going to go against people who speak only Hindi? So let's not go on languages. Let's go on the content of what is displayed, and let's go.
But I have a question for you, Dr. Ranganathan. Dr. Ranganathan, I have one question for you. Putting out a page in Hindi, fine, no problem. But as you very well know, Bangalore has a huge percentage of people who speak Tamil and Telugu. Why aren't those languages included, and why don't they have separate pages as well?
Yes. Yes. So, I mean, as I said, you can have as many pages as you want. The important point is communication. No language should be barred, and they can even have it in Kashmiri. They can even have it in Odia. It doesn't matter to me, because this parochialism is what disunites us. It divides us. And this gentleman who is my, very dear friend on the Below Digital panel, if only he were to realize that the kind of parochialism he's espousing, if he were to come to, for example, Hindi heartland of UP or Bihar, how would he feel? If people stop communicating with him and say, don't you dare use the language that we use. Okay. So let's not divide each other.
Quick response from Chandan. Chandan, if this happens in other states, it would also feel very peculiar if people start saying, don't use your language when you come to, say, for instance, North India. So at the end of the day, India is one country. People should be allowed to communicate in whichever language they want to. That's what Dr. Ranganathan wants to say to you.
Sir, can you repeat what you said, sir?
India is one country. If you, for instance, you are to go, people from Karnataka to go to a North Indian state and people say, no, don't put out things in the language that you want to, that would also be, unfair. So the rights of citizens don't end when they enter into another state. Everyone has a right to communication in whichever language they want.
ಸರ್ ಆ ವಿಚಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಷ್ಟೋ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ IPL ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಒಂದು ತಂಡಗಳಿದೆ. 12 ತಂಡಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾದಂತ ಅವರದೇ ಆದಂತ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ?
That's the whole point. That's the whole point that which I asked him. If RCB has other languages, if it has Tamil, Telugu, will that be acceptable? Is that the larger point, or are we just narrowly looking at it from the perspective of each state only? That's a larger question, and perhaps a question for all to ponder over. Dr. Ranganathan as well as Chandan Gaudru, thanks so much for joining us this evening.